Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Chidera, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what's trending in my world. So I've been seeing these videos going around for a little while now, and it's basically where people are talking about what's kind of trending in their world. So it might not necessarily be the current trends, it's just what they're liking at the moment and that kind of thing. So that is what I'm going to be talking about today. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about that's kind of been dominating a lot of my recent outfits, and that is the whole sheer and mesh kind of element, which is one of the trends for 2023. But I feel like I've been doing it in a way that kind of encompasses my own style, which I'm really enjoying at the moment. And I've mainly been doing it with mesh materials and an open knit texture as well. So I had this outfit where I wore this green printed top, and then I laid it with a mesh top, and I really enjoyed playing with it in that element and kind of taking it away from the whole lingerie-esque element that it's been seen with in 2023, and kind of almost creating more coverage in that way. And that was also evident in my most recent outfit that I wore to church, where I wore this mesh glitter top, but then I laid it with a little black vest under to create and bring it back that coverage that I was looking for in the outfit. And then I've also done this with crochet, funnily enough. I don't have an image of it, but recently I wore these crochet pants that I wore on holiday, but I kind of wanted to make it more wearable for everyday kind of casual summer vibes. So I laid it with black shorts underneath. I wore a normal black crop tank top, and then I paired it with a pair of trainers. And I just like the way it was taking that whole sheer trend, but then kind of bringing it into the everyday normal kind of wear. And I feel like that kind of plays into another thing that's not a trend, but a trend for me, where I'm kind of prioritizing more comfortable silhouettes in terms of my clothing, more baggy trousers, more fitted but not overly constrained silhouette. So I do wear these straight leg jeans a lot that are looser and then kind of just flow down. Obviously the crochet pants are extremely comfortable, and I'm actually hoping to get a few more trousers in that kind of material, because it's almost not like a jogger, because I don't personally wear joggers. I just feel like they're a bit too casual for my personal sense of style. But I like the way that the crochet pants almost mimics a jogger in the way that they're very comfortable, relaxed, fitting. And yeah, I just feel like it also complemented my silhouette and my shape, which I really enjoyed. But definitely I'm looking for more comfortable silhouettes, even in the jeans I'm wearing, in the skirts I'm wearing, nothing that's too constrained. So yeah, I'm enjoying that. Statement jewelry is something that is also dominating a lot of my recent outfits, and I'm just having more fun playing around with jewelry items and my earrings in my different piercings, which I'm enjoying. And I feel like it just brings an outfit together in a way that clothing items won't, and bags won't as well. It just, I don't know, it's the cherry on top of an outfit. So recently I have been playing around with my helix piercings and wearing bigger jewelry in them. I really loved when I wore these floral earrings, or again mismatch, asymmetric kind of vibe, but I just loved it. I liked the way it completed this outfit. And then in my other this outfit I wore these big cross earrings, and then paired it with these two big studs, which I felt it was nice, and it kind of tied in with the cross, and it just made it more glam rather than just wearing earrings in my normal lobes. So yeah, I'm definitely playing around with statement jewelry and earrings in that sense. I do kind of want to bring more necklaces, because I do notice I don't gravitate towards necklaces as much as I do earrings. And I kind of want to get into trying to style my outfits with sunglasses and stuff, because I am not a sunglass kind of girl, but I do think it does complete an outfit in a way that other accessories don't. So I do definitely want to play with sunglasses, with statement necklaces, especially because I do have a lot of statement necklaces, but they just don't get worn as much. But I will continue to enjoy statement jewelry in terms of earrings, and just playing around with that and mismatching earrings as well. Then another thing that keeps kind of creeping up for me is the color pink. And personally, I feel like pink is probably my least favorite color, but then I actually really like wearing it. and this is something that keeps popping up in my recent outfits. Even like when it's like a pop of color, I keep gravitating towards like my pink heels. Like with the glittery outfit that I recently wore to church, I wore it with like these pink pumps, which I thought was really nice. And then like I've been wearing like pink shirts. I even recently thrifted a bag that kind of pops into another trend kind of for me that I will speak on later, that has pink details in it as well. And I just feel like this color pink is just a nice like addition to any outfit. It goes nicely with denim, it goes nicely with black, like it's just like a nice pop of color and statement to add into any outfit. Which brings us to the next thing that I wanted to talk about. And I recently thrifted this bag, which I think is absolutely stunning. And weirdly for me, this is a very big bag, but I don't know, something about it, like the colors running through it, it just makes sense in this size. And I absolutely love this bag. I can't wait to like properly wear it out and style it up. But again, it has like the pink color running through it. It's big, which is unusual for me, and I have been gravitating towards like a few bigger bags, especially when I'm like going like everyday casual like events. Then I am gravitating and pulling like a bigger bag. Whereas obviously when I'm more dressy and more like, I guess, going to church or like a dinner, then I am still reaching for my smaller bags, which will always be like my favorites. But definitely I am noticing that I am wearing bigger bags, which I didn't think I would. So that is interesting. Then the last thing that I wanted to talk about, which I feel has taken my style like to the next level, is actually making like tweaks and adjustments on the actual garment. And I have a video, well, two videos where I've done, like showed like clothing hacks that I kind of use in my wardrobe, which I think you guys should watch. But yeah, basically I make like little tweaks. Like even with my recent outfit, I kind of like pinned it and like tucked it in a way to take it from maxi to mini and kind of create like these little details in the skirt and these little ruffles, which I thought like it just made it look nicer than just wearing like a normal midi skirt, like a normal mini skirt, I mean. And I just feel like it just elevated the look as a whole. And then also, if you haven't watched already, my last video, I actually DIY'd this pair of jeans with all these little patches. And I just feel like it just makes my clothing pieces more interesting. It makes them more unique to myself and my style. And it just, yeah, like it just adds an element that you wouldn't see in like everyday outfits. So I am enjoying like making little tweaks and adjustments to my like outfits and my clothing, wearing things in different ways and in the wrong ways as well. But definitely you should watch my DIY video of these jeans, and you should watch my clothing hacks videos, which I will link either up top or in the description. But those are all the things that I wanted to talk about that are currently trending in my world, and things that I'm kind of gonna take to the next level and just implement in my everyday outfits and my like more dressy outfits as well. But overall, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just, yeah, like this conversation that we've had about like what's trending, what's cool, what I'm wearing. And if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more fashion related content from me, and just let me know like what videos you'd want to see, what videos you're enjoying from me, and that kind of thing. But thank you for watching. God bless, and see you in my next video.